Hey, this silent solution reviewer see how to Docker container log monitoring with Grafana Prometheus. Let's go. This is my silent solution here, Linux cloud related many video you have to see. I think you have many idea your DevOps career, but let's go. First of all, we are go to our server. Which server have our container run. Yeah, we are two container run have 806. It is the Nginx 2. Another is bit version. Let's go. First of all, we are configure our Prometheus, Prometheus, YML. Yeah, here is Prometheus configuration. First of all, your global configuration. Global here is relation time is total. You can see just for here is a Docker container. How to Docker container add here. Here just Docker container file input your server IP and your container uh, port. Here is this is my one container port. This another container port with server. This is just Docker configuration file for monitoring. Let's go. Now we are just click import. There is a Docker container for 2ID. You can Google search. I think it's many idea. Let's go. First of all, we are go to our Prometheus dashboard. Here is just new input. Here is 193 loaded. Just for here is for graph Prometheus. Our is luck is coming. This our export. Here is our two container details here. Our process ID two containers here. Two containers and memory uses it uses. Really, we are happy today. Please subscribe and thanks for my channel. That's